See, in the wave diagrams, I can directly show you that how can I explain pitch. Pitch is directly proportional to frequency. So, if I try to explain you frequency, if I'm trying to explain you frequency, that is, suppose that here it is 1 second. Okay, that much is 1 second. So, number of oscillations complete is this. But if I do the same thing in here, that like this way, so what you will say? It have low frequency. It have low frequency, and it have high frequency. High frequency because number of vibrations are increased. So I can also say that they have low pitch and this have high pitch. Okay, I can directly say that. So in the form of waves, I can also show how the difference between low and high pitch. Now second one is your loudness. Loudness is what? Loudness is depend on the amplitude. Okay, loudness is directly proportional to your amplitude square, means it is related to the amplitude. Suppose my loudness is increased, then my amplitude is also increased by twice, power twice. Okay, square. So loudness is the measure of the sound energy reaching the ear per second. What is loudness? Loudness is the sound energy that is reaching to our ear per second. So greater the amplitude of the sound wave, larger will be the energy. Larger will be the energy. So louder will be the shout, or louder will be the sound, you can say. So for short amplitude, the sound energy will be less and the voice will be soft. So loudness is measured in decibel. That is more important. We'll ask in MCQs that what is the SI unit of loud, or in which units loud is measured. So you will say that decibel. Decibel. Even the noises na radio jab sunte ho, whenever you listen radio, there is some noise that is not connecting the frequency or FM properly. So that is noise, and that noise is also measured in the decibels only. So